everybody, today I'm going to be making my favorite breakfast burrito, which happens to be microbiome friendly and is full of fiber. Not only that, it's super easy to make, so let's get into it.
This recipe makes one large burrito. Make sure to double up if you want more. To get started, you will need 1 medium onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black salt, otherwise known as kala namak, 200 grams of extra firm tofu, 1 cup of roasted red peppers, peeled, 2 spring onions, chopped, a 1/4 cup vegan cooking cream or coconut milk, 1 large tortilla or wrap, ayvar or any other dip of choice, such as harissa, hummus, guac, etc., and a big handful of steamed greens, such as Swiss chard, cavallo nero, or kale. Before we get cooking, we're going to put the tofu in a big bowl, add in all the spices, including the black salt, and crumble it all together. I like to keep a couple big pieces so that it's not too fine. Now we're ready to cook. Preheat a pan on medium heat and saute the onion. You can do this in a knob of plant-based butter, splash of olive oil, or simply water. Once the onion is translucent, add in the spicy tofu mix. Continue cooking and turning for around 5 to 10 minutes till it gets nicely browned. Next, we'll add in the roasted red peppers. I love using these because of their delicious natural oils. I usually roast them in advance for around 20 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. After around 2 to 3 minutes, add in the spring onions and cooking cream, which adds a nice creamy texture. If you'd like to make it more low fat, you can always omit this.
We've made the scramble, so now it's time to make the burrito.
Get your tortilla wrap, the bigger the better, then lather on your dip of choice. Add in the steamed greens. I'm using cavallo nero here. Next is the scramble, of course. At this point you can season to your liking. I love a lot of pepper on mine. Hot sauce also works well. Finally, let's fold. You can eat it like this, but I actually love to toast mine. Preheat a pan to medium heat and just heat up on both sides. And that's that. Time to eat up.
Look at that.
Now, what exactly makes this good for your gut and microbiome? First off, it promotes probiotic bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria thanks to ingredients like tofu, which is also low in fat and rich in all 9 essential amino acids. It strengthens the intestinal barrier and reduces inflammation, thanks to ingredients like turmeric. Finally, it's high in fiber, with approximately 14 to 16 grams, which is around half of the recommended daily amount. Fiber is fantastic for a whole host of reasons, including producing short-chain fatty acids that have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and metabolic health benefits.
So here it is, a delicious breakfast burrito. It's really good.